As we reflect on the past academic year, we are reminded of the words of Nelson Mandela. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. At BIS, we have embraced this belief, fostering an environment where learning is not only a privilege, but a transformative journey for all our students.
This annual report encapsulates the achievements, challenges, and milestones that have defined our school community over the past year. It is a testament to the dedication of our educators, the enthusiasm of our students, and the unwavering support to dear parents.
Coming to the CBSE 10th grade result, the exemplary performance by our students in secondary and senior secondary examination demonstrates the excellence and dedication that our school has.
The school toppers are Davina Manoj and Sean Prabhu with 97% in first position. Second position, Ishan Kedar Pandey with 96.8%. Third position with Anushka and Daryl with 96.2%.
The subject toppers are as follows. Maths Standard, Davina Manoj, Ishan Kedar Pandey, Pranav Bobby Shekhar with 100%. French with Sean Prabhu and Daryl Shaiju Matthew with 100%. Science with Ishan Kedar Pandey, 99%. Social Science by Davina Manoj, Sean Prabhu, Anushka Taide, Pritha Chauhan, Pranav Bobby, and Asim Verma, all scoring 97%. English with Davina Manoj Amarnath and Pritha Chauhan, 97%. Maths Basic with Sakshi Lal, 96%. Hindi by Ahmed Suhail Wani, 96%. And Sanskrit by Amrita Varshini Murugan, 95%.
Out of all the students, a high percentage of 78.3% achieved a score of 90% and above in mathematics. A total of 68% of the students scored 90% or higher in social science.
In science and Hindi, 62% of the students scored 90% or higher. Out of all students, 57% received a score of over 90% in English language, while 54% of the students scored over 90% in French.
Here are the remarkable achievements of grade 12 students in the CBSE board exam. Students who have achieved highest grades in the school are first place with Manoj Subramanian with a score of 96.4%, second place with Indraneel of a score 93.8%, and third place with Rida Shafi with 91.8%.
The subject toppers are as follows. English was topped by Pavati Bibin with 98%. Maths, Physics, Chemistry, and Computer were topped by Manoj Subramaniam with 98, 97, 98, and 96% respectively. Computer was also topped by Swastika Saraugi with 96%. Biology was topped by Indraneel Tekapat with 98%, while Psychology was topped by Nitya Susan by 98%.
We are delighted to share that Manoj has achieved a remarkable feat by qualifying for the prestigious JEE Advanced Examination. He has successfully cleared the challenging JEE exam from all over Bahrain region.
Further, the Science International Forum extended their hearty congratulations to Davina Manoj Amarnath for her exceptional scientific talent at the 31st National Children's Science Congress. Further, Ms. Shamla Prakash was also felicitated for being the mentor and guiding force for her scientific pursuits.
For the fifth time, BIS has claimed victory at the finals of Bhavan's International School Quiz, BISCU, hosted by Bhavan's Pearl Wisdom School, Dubai. In the prelims held at Bahrain Indian School for the Bahrain schools, 13 teams from 7 CBSE schools fiercely competed for a coveted spots in the final. Furthermore, 6 teams were selected for the grand finale. The winning BIS team comprised of Lakshya Kulshresht, Kushagra Shah, and Gunjan Pal, and they won a top prize of $1,000.
39 teams and 117 students from BIS participated in the World Scholars Cup at American School of Bahrain and at the University of Bahrain. BIS received a whopping 270 gold medals, 250 silver medals, and 13 trophies, showcasing their outstanding achievements. Fariz Ainuddin has accomplished an incredible feat by bagging 16 gold medals and 3 trophies, including the most prestigious junior Zach Kaur Trophy. Vaibhav Natarajan secured first place in team debate, Kriya, and in special area. Further, Shivanshi Ghosh Dastidar earned first place in collaborative writing and has bagged 10 gold medals, 2 silver medals, and 2 trophies. Pritha Singh bagged 11 gold medals, 2 silver medals, and the School Topper Award. She also bagged the gold medal as the top scoring scholar from Bahrain Indian School.
The Change the World Model United Nations CWMUN is an international program attended each year by more than 10,000 students from all over the world who are eager to debate on the major issues on the international political agenda.
The CWMU in Emirates was held both at the Anwar Gargash Diplomatic Academy and the Sorbonne University, drawing over 1,000 students from across the globe, creating a dynamic platform for intercultural exchange and insightful debates on pressing global issues. 4 students, Asim Verma, Kashvi Subin, Dhruv Satish Kumar, and Davina Manoj, represented their school with pride as members of the UN General Assembly. Asim Verma went on to win the most prestigious award, the Honorable Mention for the General Assembly.
The World Organization launched the yearly No Tobacco Day campaign to promote public health policies and increase awareness on tobacco usage. In the 10-11 age category, Aniruddha Banerjee of grade 5 secured second place from the Bahrain region. She was the only student from Bahrain who won this accolade.
Further, the Bahrain Student Innovation Congress is a highly esteemed platform for encouraging practical research projects among young people, in partnership with the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. BIS emerged victorious and bagged prestigious awards. In the junior category, Prince Shrestha and Kushagra Shah won the first place, while in the senior category, Anubhav Uday Kumar and Avish Kamboj secured the second place.
BIS students secured 3 first positions in Bhavan's Middle East Declamation Contest, marking a moment of immense pride for the school. Ishana Dheeraj Raj and Aditya Mishra and Prakriti Singh clinched the first position.
Pupils of BIS demonstrated exceptional scientific talent by taking part in the esteemed Shastra Pratibha competition. This countrywide program, spearheaded by Vijna Bharati, in partnership with Vigyan Prasar and in partnership with NCERT, seeks to encourage scientific learning among pupils in sections 6 to 11.
BIS emerged with the greatest number of students successfully qualifying for the Shastra Pratibha. It brings us immense joy to share that the Gunjan Pal, along with Shaurya Saxena and Arnav Singh Devan, Daksh Chowdhury and Davina Manoj, emerged as Shastra Pratibhas. 13 students reached the advanced level.
Aditya Mishra, Kushagra Shah, and Mahika Chawla and Pritha Singh embarked on a remarkable journey as participants of Shastrayaan 2024. Their educational tour to Bangalore, organized by the Science India Forum, was not merely a trip, but an odyssey through the corridors of scientific marvels and institutions.
The Bahrain Brain Battle 2024, hosted by the Grand Master G.S. Pradeep, recognized by the Limca Book of Records as the only reverse quiz master, witnessed a stunning triumph as the siblings Pranav Bobby and Parnavi Bobby emerged as the champions. Their victory was accompanied by a coveted cash prize of US dollars 1,111, further embellishing their illustrious journey of accomplishments.
BIS students exhibited exceptional mental math skills at the 6th National Abacus competition as held by Brain O'Brain. There were 6 champions, 13 gold toppers, followed by 7 silver toppers.
Ehan Anjum, a grade 4 student, has been honored with the coveted gold topper title at the 12th Brain O'Brain International Abacus Contest, hosted in Dubai. Facing 2,036 contenders from 18 nations in the globe's most extensive abacus tournament, Ehan showcased exceptional powers and a sharp intellect to claim the prestigious title of champion.
Avantika Rakesh of grade 2 secured a gold medal at the 6th National Abacus Competition Festival held at Brightest International School.
Arnav Yehola won the prestigious title of School Topper at Math Wizard 2024 after competing with 192 students spanning 15 schools.
Lakshakul Shrestha emerged victorious in a heated battle of intellects against 13 schools and 36 teams of Bahrain, clinching the prestigious second place title at Science Wizard 2024.
Isha Ashik earned the prestigious title of Kala Tilagam for the 3rd consecutive year at the GCC Kalotsavam presented by the Bahrain Kerala Samajam.
Ivan Binson John and Parth Parida clinched the first place in the symposium at the Technofest held in Indian School.
Pritha Singh and Shlok Kale secured an impressive second place in the challenging intense quiz competition at the Technofest held at the Indian School.
Savannah Daresh, Arohi Rajit and Devna Anish triumphed by securing the top spot in Quarks 2024, hosted by New Millennium School.
The Indian school organized Hindi competitions. Kayati Chandra Mohan achieved top honors by securing the first prize in Hindi storytelling competition. Aditya Mishra secured the runner-up position in Hindi speech contest, whereas Kanisha Gupta claimed the second place in Doha recitation event. Taner Sahil achieved the 3rd position in the Hindi poetry recitation.
Isha Ashik won the first place in Hindi poem recitation, while Mahika Chawla also secured first place with a humorous performance in the Hasya Kavita category. In the younger categories, Mridhini Madhavam and Rihanna Vashish both secured 4th positions, impressing judges with their expressive and engaging recitations.
Mishal Imtaz clinched the 1st position in the senior category, marking a significant achievement for the school.
BIS hosted the first ever Bhavans Middle East Maths and Science Symposium. BIS students Veda Vimal Parol, Pritha Singh, Kashvi Subin, and Ivan Binson John emerged as champions after competing with 7 BME teams, impressing everyone with their exceptional performance.
BIS students Arnav Singh Devan, Lakshya Kulshresht, and Arnav Tushar secured the first place in the NIS Math Elites, a mathematics quiz hosted by the New Indian School.
Davina Manoj Amarnath also won the second place with her insights on mathematics in the digital era in the Mathematics Symposium in NIS.
BIS students Priyanka Gopi, Neetu Thomas, Arnav Singh Devan, and Ahan Kandelwal clinched the first place in Inter-Bhavan's Word Buster competition after competing against 8 Bhavan schools across the Middle East.
BIS hosted the Inter-Bhavan Sanskrit competitions on the occasion of Sanskrit Divas. Abhirami secured the first place in the Shloka recitation competition. In storytelling, Devna Anish won the first place, while Kayati Chandra Mohan claimed a proud second place. Avni Yadav went on to win a third place in that same category.
Isha Ashik clinched the first place in the prestigious intra-school Hindi poetry recitation competition held at Ibn Haytham Islamic School.
Amrita Vaishani Murugan bagged a second place in the extempo competition, while Ishana Dheeraj Raj secured third place in English poetry recitation at Asian Schools Founders Day literary competition.
The dynamic team of Kushagar Shah, Sujay Sunil, Aditya Uday Kumar, and Aditya Sharma created an impressive second place in the Bhavan's Middle East Sports Quiz, competing against the teams from 8 Bhavan schools.
BIS students Pranav Bobby, Adesh Deepti Shaiju, and Daksh Chaudhary excelled at the prestigious Medalathon 2024, an event hosted by the American Mission Hospital. The quiz team secured an impressive second place.
A League 2024, an inter-school art biennial, was organized by the Indian School. Adhuna Banerjee secured second place in the Varna category for the age group 8 to 11. The team consisting of Satakshi, Vaishnavi, and Eleanor achieved third position in the group harmony event.
The mini Olympics were conducted at Khalifa Stadium from September 30th to October 1st, 2024. Sunish Sunil demonstrated exceptional performance in track events within the secondary category and secured a gold medal in the 3000 meter race and a silver medal in the 1500 meter race. In the field of table tennis, Sara Joji excelled by achieving a silver medal. The Quran is a guide for humanity, a beacon of light in times of darkness, and a source of solace in times of turmoil. Ahmed Jalal Al-Shawek secured third place in the Inter-Bhavan's Quran recitation competition.
Ivan Binson John and Adesh Deepti Shaiju secured the third position at the Indian School's prestigious Math International Inter-School Math Symposium. Further, the math quiz team comprising of Arnav Tushar Yeola, Pritha Singh, and Amrita Vaishani Murugan bagged the third spot in the competition, showcasing their talent, outshining their peers from various CBSE schools in Bahrain.
Stampedia hosted Codever 5.0, the biggest innovation fest for the next gen, where participants make innovative projects. Among the standout performances were the team Altruix, led by the dynamic duo Aditya Vardhan and Avyuk Setumadhavan, who clinched the first prize, earning them a spot in the Dubai International Round.
Arnav Singh Devan and Prince Shrestha secured third place at the Spalathalon hosted by New Millennium School.
The Bhavans Model United Nations 2024 was a trailblazing event hosted on the 8th and 9th of November at Bahrain Indian School. The event, held over 2 days, revolved around the inspiring theme, the Phoenix Effect, emphasizing resilience and renewal. Delegates engaged in rigorous debates and discussions across multiple councils. The opening ceremony featured distinguished guests, including Chief Guest Mr. Ravi Kumar Jain, Second Secretary of the Embassy of India.
With nearly 300 delegates from CBSE and other schools, Bahrain took part in the conference, and it became a hallmark of innovation and excellence. BMUN 2024 broke new ground by being the first intra-school MUN of Bhavans. Awards were given in various categories.
The Spectra 2024 Art Carnival by Faber-Castell was hosted in the Indian School, Bahrain. Within Group 1, the Best on 50 medal was awarded to Ridhima Lal and Nora Sejoy. Within Group 2, the recipients of the Best on 50 awards include Adhuna Banerjee, Veda Sharma, Chinmayi Manikandan, Parid Desai, Jamie Annie, Amit Binesh Nambiar, Arav Nambiar, Satakshi Dev, and Vaishnavi Gutulla.
The Bahrain Olympic Committee, in collaboration with the Ministry of Education and Bahrain National Sports Association, conducted Bahrain Baby Olympics from 5th to 7th of May 2024. Kindergarteners participated and competed in various fun games and sports ranging from football, basketball, athletics, weightlifting, and gymnastics.
The toppers of Shastra Pratibha and the Bahrain Science Innovation Congress had an interactive and inspiring meeting with Dr. Tessie Thomas, a distinguished scientist, during the exclusive Meet the Scientist event. Dr. Thomas shared invaluable insights to her pioneering work in missile technology, captivating the audience with her stories of perseverance and innovation.
Armand Binawaz has achieved another remarkable milestone by publishing his book, NASA Sonatas, as he gifted the book to the BIS directors, Mr. Himanshu Verma, Mrs. Ritu Verma, and the school principal, Mr. Saji Jacob.
In table tennis during the CBSE clusters, Ahan Santosh, Sujay Sunil, and Suyash Sunil won the gold medal in the under 14 category, while Sunish Sunil, Atharva Aditya Balveli, and Daksh Chaudhary won the gold medal in the under 19 category. In table tennis girls under 14 category, Veda Harishankar Menon, Anaya Joem, and Sara Thakur won the first place runner-up. And in chess for boys under 11, Trishan Murkhut and Siddharth Rajveer and Varenium Suraj Patel and Ihan Injam won the first runner-up award.
In chess for girls under 11 category, Saisha Joji and Salan Sandeep of grade 4, Jaitsura Shriyasta Kalanami and Vega Harish of grade 5 bagged the first runner-up position. In chess for girls under 14 category, Hanna Rachel Tom of grade 7, Gargi Mahita Kandelita and Anita Anup of grade 8 bagged first runner-up. In chess for girls under 17 category, Sara Joji and Ayushi Das, Paurnami Bobby, Anaya Narala bagged first runner-up.
We are proud to share that in the NOF Junior, Maria Mercy Roy bagged the Certificate of Meritorious Performance, a gold medal in an Olympiad. Meanwhile, Bhavesh Reddy Echari also bagged the Certificate of Meritorious Performance, a topper medal in 5 different Olympiads. Meanwhile, Radrunch Neeraj Tapria of KG2 bagged the Certificate of Meritorious Performance and topper medal once again in 5 different Olympiads.
Additionally, 38 gold medals were bagged by KG2 students, 17 by KG1, and 2 medals by grade 1 students. 39 gold medals were bagged by KG2 students, followed by 19 by KG1, and 1 by grade 1 student in the Math Olympiad. 2 students of KG2 bagged gold medals in the Phonics Olympiad. Further, 38 gold medals were won by KG2 students, followed by 21 gold medals by KG1 students, and 1 by grade 1 student in the Science Olympiad.
In the Social Science Olympiad 24, Arohi Raji of grade 3 bagged cash prize, international gold medal, certificate of outstanding performance and gold medal of distinction. Trishan of grade 4 bagged zonal silver medal, certificate of zonal excellence, medal of distinction and certificate of distinction. 8 students bagged cash prizes, certificates of zonal excellence, medals and certificates of distinction. 14 students bagged gold medal of excellence, while 17 students secured certificate of zonal excellence, medals of distinction and certificates of distinction.
Achievers of the Cyber Olympiad 2023-24 include 2 students who bagged the cash prize, certificate of global excellence, medal and certificate of distinction. 6 students secured the certificate of zonal excellence, medal and certificate of distinction. 4 students bagged the gold medal of excellence.
In the Maths Olympiad, Mridini Madhavam of grade 2 bagged cash prizes, certificate of zonal excellence, medal of distinction and certificate of distinction. She also secured the certificate of zonal excellence. 4 students secured medals and certificates of distinctions, while 31 students bagged gold medals of excellence.
Arohi Ranjit and Prita Singh bagged cash prizes, certificate of zonal excellences and medals and certificates of distinction. 7 students secured the certificate of zonal excellence, medal and certificate of distinction. 8 students bagged the gold medal of excellence.
In the second level of English Olympiad, Fariz Zainuddin and Bhavya Bharat secured cash prizes and certificates of zonal excellence. Meanwhile, Sunish Sunil bagged certificates of zonal excellence and 26 students further bagged merit certificates.
For this SOF Science Olympiad, Deva Anish and Arnav Yola bagged certificates of zonal excellence. 23 students bagged merit certificates.
In the second level for the Maths Olympiad, Ishan Keda Pandey bagged certificates of zonal excellence, while 18 students also bagged merit certificates.
In the Math Olympiad, Lakshya Kulshresh bagged the International Topper Award. 1 gold medal, 4 silver medals, 6 bronze medals were won by the students. In the Science Olympiad, 9 students bagged silver medals, followed by 4 bronze medals. Moving forward to the English Olympiad, Lakshya Kulshresh bagged the zonal topper medal. 9 gold medals, 8 silver medals, and 5 bronze medals were also won.
In the Computer Olympiad, Mrinmayi bagged the International Topper Award and Niharika Anand won the Zonal Topper Award. Further, 2 gold medals and 1 bronze medal was won. In the Spell Talent Olympiad, 2 gold medals, 4 silver medals and 5 bronze medals were won. Niharika Anand won the International Topper Award, whereas Cyril and Lakshya Kulshrestha won the Zonal Topper Award in Reasoning and Aptitude Olympiads. 1 gold and 7 silvers along with 4 bronze medals were also won. Haziq Hazin won the Zonal Topper Award in the Hindi Olympiad, and 1 bronze was also won in the Hindi Olympiad. 1 silver was bagged in the Commerce Olympiad, while 3 gold, 3 silvers, and 4 bronze medals were won in the GK and Current Affairs Olympiads.
BIS students also participated in competitions organized by Talent, Skill and Development. In the math competition, 4 gold medals, 10 silver medals, 4 bronze medals were won. Amongst the kindergarten students, 1 bronze medal and 3 silver medals were bagged. In art competitions, kindergarteners, 3 students won bronze medals and 3 gold medals. Further, amongst middle school participants, 1 gold, 1 silver and 5 bronze medals were won. In creative writing, 2 gold and 3 silver medals were won.
IOQM, or the Indian Olympiad Qualifier in Mathematics, is a prestigious national level examination that serves as a stepping stone for students aspiring to compete in the International Mathematics Olympiad. This rigorous competition assesses the mathematical aptitude of students and provides them with an opportunity to showcase their problem-solving skills on a global platform. We are delighted to share that Arnav Yola successfully cleared Regional Mathematics Olympiad on his very first attempt. He is determined to clear the national level soon too.
We are thrilled to share that Parina Dolakia, Anaya Gosavi of grade 9, Shaurya Saxena, Aman bin Awaz have been honored by GDN for best stories.
The Indian school organized NMUN, wherein students from grades 8 to 12 participated. Mahika Chawla won the best delegate in the Lok Sabha, while Ishan Kedar Pandey won the best delegate in HCC.
Students participated in NMMUN organized by NMS. Ishan Kedar Pandey and Vihan Kedar Pandey were awarded Best Delegate.
Students also participated in the Sacred Heart MUN and won various accolades. Here are the awards. The Best Chair Award went to our student Asim Verma, while the Best Speaker Award went to Ishan Janesh. The Most Diplomatic Award went to Dhruv Satish Kumar. Most Likely to End Up in the UN Award went to Vihan Kedar Pandey and Vaishnavi Vinay Kumar.
Shreyas of grade 10 won Best Counsel for the Federation of International Affairs, and Dhruv Satish Kumar won Honorable Mention at the New Indian School MUN, Newman 24.
BIS community came together to donate essential non-perishable items to Dr. Babu Ramachandran, representing the Indian Community Relief Funds, in support of those in need during the holy month of Ramadan. Further, the BIS community also donated 500 BHD to the Breast Cancer Society. The donation was presented to Ms. Husina Karemi, a representative of the society.
Kindergarteners engage in fun activities like arts and crafts, where they express their creativity through colorful projects. They celebrate special occasions with festive events, such as themed dress-up days and seasonal parties. These joyful moments foster social skills and create lasting memories along their young friends.
Throughout the academic year, we celebrated a variety of themed weeks designed to engage students, promote awareness, and enhance skills in diverse areas. Themes weeks such as English Week, Math Week, Think Pink Week, Cyber Safety and Anti-Bullying Awareness Week, Bahrain National Week, etc. not only enhance our students' academic experiences, but also help them grow as responsible, informed, and compassionate individuals.
Career Week was organized, which provides students with insights into various professions through guest speakers, workshops, and career exploration activities. These weeks aim to inspire students to think about their future pathways and skills needed to succeed in their chosen fields.
Workshops were organized by NGRs, which were designed to inspire and equip students with the necessary skills to navigate the world of entrepreneurship, with an aim to foster a new generation of innovative thinkers and leaders. Each workshop was tailored to the developmental stage of the students, ensuring that the content is both relevant and impactful.
Interbhavan's initiatives were taken for promoting various ways to take care of marine life and water resources. This year was marked by a diverse array of activities, including Sports Day, Bhavanodaya, and numerous other events. Each of these activities contributed significantly to the overall development and engagement of participants, fostering teamwork spirit and a sense of community.
These celebrations provided students with the opportunity to learn about different cultures, traditions, historical events, and societal issues. It also helped them foster a sense of community and understanding among the students. With this, we have come to the conclusion of our annual report. Thank you all for your patient listening.